rotates independently. You can adjust, bring it out. This neck here actually also rotates. You can place your phone into this clasp here and rotate that too. Best of all, it has a ring light underneath. So your phone sits in here and you can rotate the angle at which you're filming. This inner plate, you can rotate as well. Let's see what the functions are. So it's plugged in, I have my phone facing me, got the light facing me, and now let's actually turn it on. The first light mode 2, light mode 3. The really cool thing about these light modes is you can also increase it and lower it. I will say the downside to having it facing me with the light also facing me is I can't completely see my screen. So where my phone attaches, it's blocked, and the ring blocks some of my screen as well. So I can't totally see what I'm doing or kind of my silly facial expressions, but it's holding it still. I can raise it, lower it pretty smoothly, adjust the angle at which it's kind of sitting, see my whole living room. And overall, I've absolutely been loving this. I can adjust it to film myself working on an embroidery piece without it being in my way, which is game changer. Now, for example, I currently have it set right above my embroidery piece, so I can still see what I'm doing and work on a piece without this being completely in my way. However, I do need to raise it, kind of adjust my angle a little bit so that the phone is kind of eye level with me and out of my view space, I can do that as well. If I want to show something a little bit more close up, I can simply lower, adjust the angle. The actual stand is out of my way and I can keep working. And this way you actually show the detail as you're going. You can add the light, adjust to a different variation if need be, and keep working on your project. So overall, I think it's safe to say I give the Canvas lighting tool a 10 out of 10. Would recommend, do recommend, and if you're willing to spend the money on a very high quality lighting tool and filming tool, I would do it.